Hi there, Chris here. Just going to run through how to record notes and how to manage them, etc. It's a fairly simple process, and there is a help section which should tell you all you need, but I'm going to do a tutorial because a couple of people asked for it. So the first thing really is, if you want to record a note, obviously it will be in relation to a race that's been run or a horse or whatever. So let's say we want to record a note for the infamous Cato Star. We would navigate to his result, and here in the options box there's a area where you can add your note. So let's just say we put in here one of the best chasers, something like that, and add. That's now been added. If we now went back to the My Notes management page, you can see it's there. Now when of course it's going to get of interest is when you're studying horses or races that have notes attached to them. So I'll show you one of them quickly, looking at a race today just to find something that's actually running and to show you how the presentation would work. You'd have to imagine that this note had been added previously, but let's say we put a random note in here and add it, and then refresh this page here. You can see that the note appears here underneath, and the same applies for jockeys, trainers, and races. So I'll just again quickly add some more notes. So let's put in a quick note in relation to this trainer, and again refresh this page. So you can see the notes appear underneath the appropriate horse in the race card. So again, we'll add one to another one, the jockey in relation to the same runner here, just to show you how it looks when there's a couple of notes. So as you can see, obviously my notes here are utterly useless, but in your own case, obviously you'll be able to record things which are relevant and of benefit to you. Just to show you now as well, if we put a note against a race, so let's have a look at this one. This was a race ran in September. Again, it's the same process every time on any race, horse, jockey, trainer. Just type in your note and click add. So this race was won by Tegula Knight. And again, if we refresh, you'll see that each of the horses that ran in that race, so Lockie's Revenge ran in it, and Conus, and you can see that the details appear there. So it is fairly straightforward. In terms of managing them, there's a My Notes management page, and within each tab there you can see the different notes, and if you want to get rid of one, you can obviously just click on the delete option, and that one that we put in for Cato Star is now gone. The only other thing you might want to do is, of course, change a note. So if you wanted to change the note for Joe Fanning, you could change it and say a jockey changed note. And once you go back and refresh, you'll see that's updated as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If there is any questions, of course, get in touch. And thanks very much indeed.